Hello everyone. I'm Mrs. Elizabeth Abraham, or Lizzie. You can call me Lizzie if you want. You're welcome to cosmetology class. And this class is for Air Freshener. We are at WESAP 2020 class. So you're all welcome.
Thank you.
We told you about the chemicals and how to use them. So and I believe that each and every one of you know which one will go first, second and third, and you know them all, right? Yes. So now, which one is first on your list? So these are white now. What is the second?
Crystal.
This is the crystal. You use this one for your hair cream, for your rub, aboniki balm, or you can use this one. But for air freshener, you don't use all, please. But this one is optional, you remember?
Yes.
I told that this one is optional. It's not must that you must use this one. Yes. So maybe we're going to divide the air freshener into two before adding this. Yes. So that one will be with crystal, one will be without it, menthol. The menthol, please, menthol. All right. So what's next?
Methanol.
Methanol.
Yes.
These are methanol. So what's next?
Texapon.
This is our Texapon. You remember we used this one on liquid soap, right?
Yes.
This is our Texapon. So?
Colorant.
Then?
Perfume.
This is our perfume. Okay?
Yes.
So, what did I tell you that if you have your perfume, what will you use it? How will you use it with methanol? Good. Rita, please help us to mix the methanol.
You are missing.
You'll put it here in the perfume and shake it very well. Yes, this Texapon.
Texapon and perfume.
So remember to number it. Not all, though, please. As you can see, we use half of the Texapon, right? Careful, sorry. We use half of it, not all. Okay?
Texapon and perfume.
So now, you shake it very well. You mix it very well. So where is the green bucket, please? Can I have the green? Please bring it up for me. So this for 5 liters, right?
Yes.
And we know this cup is how many liters?
1.
This 1 liter, sorry.
1 liter.
This one, your 1 liter. So let's measure the water. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. No, I told you that we were going to do 2 types. One with menthol, one without menthol.
Yes.
So we're going to mix the menthol inside the Texapon now.
The methanol.
The methanol, sorry. Not all, though, please, remember. Just a little.
Menthol inside
Methanol. To melt it. You see?
This is a menthol, right?
Yes.
Methanol.
And menthol.
You add water?
No.
Only methanol and menthol.
Is that all? Yeah. Thank you. So, which one will go first? Scissors, yourself. Can you tear it off? Or just hold it like this. We want it thick. The whitener also serves as thickener. Careful. Put all, just put all. It also serves as thickener. So what next? No. It's this one.
Perfume. Our perfume and Texapon is the next. The one that you have mixed.
That's bag. Then you keep stirring.
The next one is your methanol.
I'm too sorry to do that. No, we are rinsing the perfume. So remember, we've poured the fragrance and the methanol.
Please, what are you calling methanol?
This is menthol.
Menthol and methanol.
Methanol. It's not the same.
Please, what is it that methanol?
Methanol is number 3. Methanol.
Yeah. Which water is that?
So that we can soak color.
Whitener.
We've added the whitener already. Okay. Kina jin kashin kuwa?
To make it.
Assistant class rep, please, we need this bucket. So that we'll divide this one into two.
We should not. That whitener is optional. Whitener is optional. You can do without whitener. Whitener is optional.
That's BBL.
Yes.
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 It's optional.
So it doesn't have to.
Yes.
If you don't want it thick, you just add your color.
Thank you. I need small water.
He will give you small water there. Please, give us small water here. He will give you the water. Menthol is optional. So we're going to divide this one into two. One with menthol, one without menthol.
We are using pink color.
Yeah, this pink color. Yes, when you pour it to give you that pink color you want. But it's pink color, please remember. Huh?
Please, the color is what?
It's pink color.
You add it to your air freshener, to your contents.
When you're adding, please, small. Don't just pour everything.
If not, it will stain the wall, the curtain, anyway they spread it.
So come and see the color. But if you want it more than this, you can add.
Wow.
This baby pink color.
It's looking like lipstick.
Not mine.
Ice cream.
Yeah, like ice cream. Vanilla.
Yes.
It's different fragrance. We didn't just use one. So turn the water, please. We need to use it.
Yes.
That's the mixture.
No, it is the mixture. What is it? This one is without menthol. Yes. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Please, you don't need much color. They might give you this color. Just use one and keep it for next production.
No perfume.
We mix with Texapon.
It's the second step.
It was mixed with Texapon.
We mix it with Texapon, then we'll pour it after the whitener. But if you're not using whitener,
This is
go ahead and pour the
menthol and
perfume you mix with
menthol.
hexapone. Do you understand? If you're not using whitener, just pour the perfume. The one you mix, make sure you shake it very well, please. If you don't shake it very well, you see the oil. So this is hexapone and menthol. Yeah, methanol and menthol, please. Methanol and menthol. So that's all.